Here we come to the elevator at PC Richard and Son in New York City, New York. It's got GAL fixtures, and this is a Transel elevator, my very first. Sadly, the one at American Eagle Outfitter is sadly being modernized by ThyssenKrupp. No. This is a Transel elevator with GAL. I'm not sure how well we're able to hear the motor. Two is the only number that works on the indicator. So glad this elevator is still original. Since Gabe recorded this thing 12 years ago, also known as Sujo Shappy. I forgot his current name. I think it's South Florida, New York City Elevators and Beyond. All right, here we are. Here we are at 1. Been wanting to find my first Transel elevator and finally found one, despite the one at American Eagle Outfitter on Times Square that is currently being modernized by TKE. Anyways, there it goes, and that is going to be it.